MLNP uses something so simple, it almost seemed too easy, a deck of face cards. But here's what happens when someone looks at these faces. Their nervous system responds instantly. No thinking required, no perfect words needed. It's like having a direct conversation with a part of them that's been trying to heal all along. The process is elegant. Anchor them in safety first, activate the stuck emotional energy very gently, regulate back to calm, and repeat. And so we're not bypassing the mind, we're finally giving the body a voice in this conversation. And the results in my PhD research, I got a 52% improvement in their frustration, stress, and helplessness levels. I mean, that's not incremental improvement. That's cutting their stress levels by half. That's transformation. But here's what the numbers don't show. The relief in someone's eyes when they realize they're not broken. They were just speaking the wrong language to their own healing system.